Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Idefine Wigs. Shout out to you Idefine for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. As you guys can see right here, I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is a headband unit, so it does come with a little headband elastic band thing. Okay girl? Alright, so the density of this unit is 180% density. The texture is deep wave. The length is 20 inches. And as I stated, it is a headband wig. Now if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Idefine Hair. Shout out to you Idefine for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I have really been talking to my rep from this company and they're so nice. She is literally so nice, and she told me she was going to send me a little holiday gift. Now today I'm actually filming this the day after Christmas, but I still wanted to show you guys the gift before I actually took it out and all that good stuff. But she's really nice, so I really wanted to, you know, kind of share with you guys the gift and the card. My child was trying to open the card, but I was like, let me show him on camera. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I thought it was so sweet and cute. But look at this. How cute is this, y'all? Oh my goodness. But she also sent me this, and I think it is so cute. Isn't this cute? And like I said, my kids were dying to get into it, and I just think that is so cute. So cute. So yeah, I really wanted to show you guys that. And once again, thank you Idefine. I really do appreciate it. Now I know you guys are like, girl, are your lips green? Are your lips green? Okay, so if you've been watching me for a while, green lips used to be my swag, honey. Okay, it used to be my thing, girl. And it's been a long time since I actually worn this lipstick. I actually got this, this is from, okay, so yeah, this is actually from Maybelline, and it's in the style Serpentine, I think. It's been a while since I wore it, but I figured since I have on a green shirt, I have green up here, and I know you guys may be getting a little tired of the headband wig, so I wanted to kind of spruce it up with a different lip, like to kind of take you guys back. Old school Chrissy, okay, before I got boring and only started wearing nudes, okay? So I really wanted to kind of take you back and wear this lip color, you know, just for the people. It's a little nostalgia for the people that have been rocking with me for a while. So that's why my lips are green. Do you like it? Do you like it? So yeah, let's get into this unit. Now, honestly, y'all, I don't have a whole lot of details and specs on this wig. So I'm gonna go on the site and see if I can find some, because honestly, they just sent me pictures of it, and I used those pictures to say, you know, whether or not I wanted the unit. I honestly didn't care what length they sent me, so I I ain't got nothing. So let me go on the site and see. Okay, so I think I found the unit on the site. Now I could be wrong, but if I am wrong, y'all definitely check the description box, because this is purely me like speculating, thinking I found the right unit. So bear with me, girl. If I'm wrong, forgive me. So it says on here, headband wig, 180% density piano color, human hair deep wave wig. So on here it has length 18 to 24 inches. The weight is 150 grams. The hair material 100% virgin hair from one donor. It lasts for one more year. So I don't know if that means more than a year or 1 year. I don't know. Density 180%. Color piano color. Can be dyed. Yes. Circumference 22.5 inches. Standard medium and adjustable straps. So that is what I see on here. I am thinking that this is the right wig, because the headbands that they have displayed, on top of it looking similar to the one that I have on, the headbands that they have displayed are the exact same headbands that I have that was sent to me. So I am hoping, and it says buy headband wig and you get 5 styles of headbands for free. And I literally have 5 styles of headbands and they look to be the same headbands. Now I could be wrong. They could be just sending this with all of their headband wigs, but I think I'm right, girl. Okay, so with this unit, it is basically your same, as far as construction go, your same standard, regular, degular, smegular, chegular headband wig. It does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little headband band. You know what I mean? Like little headband band. You get it? You get it? Yeah. So that is pretty much it as far as the construction of it. Now it says on here deep wave, and I'm thinking that this is deep wave. Yeah, it says deep wave. I don't know. This feels well, yeah, it does feel deep wave-ish. Like not deep curly. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely giving me deep wave vibes. The color, as you guys can see, they're calling it piano color, and it's more like a highlighted type of unit, and I am digging the highlights, and I hope they are really coming off on camera. I keep looking at my monitor because I'm hoping that it's coming off on camera the way it's coming off for me. I am digging the color. I think the color is gorgeous. As far as shedding and tangling, like, I don't know if you noticed, honey, but I've been running my fingers through this hair with no tangles, girl. Okay, no tangles and no shedding, which is really good for a wavy sort of unit. Sometimes those units can be tangly and they can shed, but I have worked with Idefine before, and I've never had those sort of issues with their hair. Like, they always come through with the come through. So as you guys can see, I'm just like literally running my fingers through it with no issues. So yeah, that is that, honey. I don't really have a whole lot else to say about it. It says that the unit is average cap size. I do personally feel when it comes to the headband wigs that it's just like one size fits all. Like, all of them fit me basically the same. So if you have a headband wig and she fits you, honey, this one should fit you as well. And it does come with the big combs. It doesn't come with the clip-in combs, so that is always a plus. And that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm not gonna give you a length check because I would say this unit is only about 18 to 20 inches or so. I want to say 18 inches. So that's it. Now when I do a full 360 later on in the video, I will stand up and let you see the length on me in the back. But for now, honey, this is it. So if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, it is a look. Like I said, I know y'all are kind of growing wary of the headband wigs. Like, you don't have to tell me, girl. I look at my analytics. I look. But this is a look, honey, and it's so cute and it's so convenient. And if you're just looking for a cute headband wig that you can throw on and definitely slay, or even if you're looking for a New Year's Eve headband wig, I feel like this will give you what you need, girl, okay? Because she's giving you the color, she's giving you the curls, she's just giving, okay? She's just giving. So I would definitely recommend this unit. I would definitely recommend this particular company in itself because Idefine, as I stated, I have worked with them before and I have never had any issues with this company whatsoever. They are just like bomb. Okay, so shout out to you, Idefine, for making a headband wig, because this is my first headband wig from this company and I love it. Like, I love this wig. I think it is gorgeous. I love the color. This will be one of my new go-to headband wigs because I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all, okay? Your girl is always looking for something that is convenient. I'm getting older. I still want to be cute. I'm still me. I'm still me, but I like to be cute without a lot of work nowadays, okay? I don't want to have to do a whole lot. That's just not where I'm at in life. So I love this unit. I think it is gorgeous and it is convenient, okay? Most importantly, it is convenient, girl. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Now, as I stated, I could have been wrong with my details, girl. Check the description box. The description box will not only have a direct link to this unit, but it'll give you more information about it. So if you are interested in more details and specs than what your girl gave, definitely check the description box. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. I'm gonna stand up, let you guys see the back. Oh, I ain't applied no products to this hair. She woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is her in the back. And this is it on the right side. Oh, shoot, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I forgot to stand up. Let me stand up and let you guys see. So this is where she comes to me in the back. I hope you guys can see it. Can you see it? Don't mind my pajamas. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. It's the holidays. Okay, y'all. So that is it. And yeah, if you are interested, once again, check the description box. If you are interested in purchasing this. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, what you feel like I may help out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to find me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.